everybody. So today I'm going to be making some magnets and I'm going to go ahead and get started. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. All right, so I have some chameleon powder. This one is called Galaxy. And I am just going to dust this into my mold before I add some resin. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some polyurethane resin. And so I have my chameleon flakes here. And here's green. That'll be nice for the leaves, I think. Let's move this to the side for the moment so I don't get flakes in my powder, I guess. This is fuchsia, so let's try fuchsia on a couple of these flowers. Here's a nice purplish. This is violet. Let's try that. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes or so. A little over pour there, but that's fine. Basically, just gonna take these out of the mold. Ooh, those are pretty. That's really pretty. Let's see if I can cut these and get all the excess off as much as possible. Okay. I'm going to get my little craft knife and just go in on those edges. I can see this being really nice for little jewelry pieces. If I can get those excess edges off where I went over.
Raindrops in my head spin me like a dance. In the showers when I'm lost in a trance. Every drop's a whisper, a story untold. Shower thoughts unravel like rivers of gold. Mirror foggy vision of the man I'll be. Dreams crash against the tile like waves to sea.
Alright, so here.
Time drips like water slipping through my hands.
There's another one, little one.
In this quiet moment,
it's gorgeous. I love that color. Okay. So I'm gonna have to decide what am I doing with these, but that's a really nice mold. I really love it. Right now here, I have all the flowers and the leaves. These are a little bigger. I'll go ahead and use my scissor on those.
I sing to the walls like they understand. The future's a current I'm trying to command. The soap and the sorrow both slide down the drain. Trying to scrub the way, but it's leaving to stay. Raindrops in my head spin me like a dance. In the showers with I'm lost in a trance. Every drop's a whisper, a story untold. Shower thoughts unravel like rivers of gold.
Just gonna kind of give it a nice little touch up here around the sides. Just like that. Actually, I think that looks pretty.
Colors are flying in the air tonight. A splash of red gold under neon lights. With every brush stroke I can feel it glow. A masterpiece we've made and we're ready to show. We're painting dreams with a beat in our hands. Building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. Shapes collide in waves, they bend and break. Sculpting wonders from the chaos we make. A melody whispers through the quiet storm. This canvas is alive, this is the norm.
Okay, so I have cured these on both sides, and we'll see what we got here. I'm gonna have to obviously cut off a little excess where it went over, but let's see what we got. Okay, first let's cut off the excess. So I need to, depending on if these are usable. Oops. So I did 5 minutes on this side and then 2 minutes with both top and bottom. Okay.
Blank spaces fill with all that's unseen.
Ooh, wow, that looks pretty cool. Let me turn off this light. Maybe with a little daylight it'll look more clear. Okay, so this is the one. I love this.
We're painting dreams with a beat in our
So I could sand this down the edges and glue that right in here. Look at that pendant. Wow. Now here is the heart. Oh, how beautiful.
creating art.
Okay, so that'll probably be a magnet. This one also will be a magnet. Oh my gosh, I really do. I love how these came out with the 3D look to them. So nice. Another starfish. That one's cute. It's got a little space where I accidentally took off the mica, I think, but look at that. How pretty. This one. Ooh, look at that one. That's a pretty flower too. That's gorgeous. I like it. So I will figure out what I'm doing with these, and I will be back to show you the end results of these, as well as what I'm going to do with these flowers. But look at this one. This one, that's my favorite. I will have another video coming out shortly where I'll be doing something else with these flowers as well. So please stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.